looking Western Electric 3-slot payphone from the 1960s. It's in very good condition with nice black lacquered paint. Chrome shines very well. It receives calls, makes outgoing calls. Does have a newer hookup. It allows you to plug it into a modern line. Everything about it works. It does not need coins to make calls, but it still makes the proper dings. 1 ding for a nickel, 2 for a dime, and a gong for a quarter. It does have the original keys for the coin box and for entry into the phone's electrical components. A quick walk around this time. In the meantime, I'll place a call to my cell phone here to show that it does work. Call the correct number. There we go. So the phone is in working condition. It also receives calls. Go ahead and take a quick look inside. Again, these are functioning keys. And you can see it's nice and clean on the interior, and it's dated 1966 on some parts. Take a quick look at the photos for more up close photos, and the coin box also does work, as does the coin return button. Handsets marked automatic or Northern Electric. Thanks very much for looking at this vintage 1960s Western Electric 3-slot payphone. Again, check out the pictures for more up close details. Thanks for looking.